Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. In today's video, I will show you how to hide photos and hide the hidden album. If you want to hide your photos, your first step is to place them in the hidden album that comes with every iPhone. Open your Photos app. Tap the photo you want to hide. If you want to hide multiple photographs at one time, tap Select in the upper right corner of the screen. Then select as many photos as you want. Select the three dots icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on Hide. From the pop-up, select Hide. The image will be sent to your hidden album. After you move your photos to the hidden album, your work isn't done. That's because the hidden album is still visible. Here's how to find it. Open the Photos app. Click Albums at the bottom of the screen and scroll down to Utilities section, where you will see the hidden option. Tap it and you will see all of your hidden images. To really keep those photos private, you will need to hide the hidden album itself. Here's how to do that. Go to Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and find Photos. Tap on it. From here, toggle off Show Hidden Album. So the bar turned from green to grey. Now the hidden album is truly hidden. It won't appear under Utilities in your photos. If you change your mind, you can simply go back to your iPhone Settings app and toggle the hidden album switch back on. So this was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.